Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I am doing a video review of a wig, which I have never done before, so this is something completely new for me, but I'm super excited. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and keep watching. So here is the wig. I got it off Amazon. The seller is Vigorous, and this is the ombre. It's ombre brown, and I'm so excited. Here is the packaging. It's very nice. So let's see. I'm going to open it. I've never worn a wig. I'm so excited. This one, it sells for $35.99. And it does say 26 inches, so it's nice and long, so that's going to be fun. So you do get a wig cap, looks like 2 of them. Yeah, one size fits all, 2 pieces, so 2 wig caps, and then there is the wig. That's really pretty color. So it's all in the net, and then it has their tag. Like I said, this is 26 inches. It is synthetic, but it is a lace front. Heat resistant synthetic, so I don't know that I'll put any heat on it, but I guess you can. Probably a very low heat. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's almost like rose gold. It does say in the description, rose gold, brown roots, free part. Put this in here. Oh, that's a very pretty color. Oh, it feels really nice too. It feels almost like real hair, and wow, I like that it's not like super shiny like that, you know, synthetic hair is like super shiny and looks totally fake. So, wow. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this baby on. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's this just their little tag, Vigorous customer service, so it has their email, 100% warranty on this. This is so pretty. I love that it's like a little rose gold in there, and it has the darker roots. Okay, so I've never done a wig at all, and I've definitely never done a lace front, so this is gonna take a little time, so I'm gonna go and put this on and then let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so here is this wig. This is so fun. So I just cut the lace, and I actually pulled out some of my hair just to make it blend a little bit better, because I've never done this before, but I do feel like it needs a clip in the middle of the back to kind of hold it in place better, because I didn't glue it down or anything. But I did use these 2 clips on the side, so yeah, I'm super excited. Here's the back. Yeah, super fun. For $35.99, this is really fun. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.